Haven't done eyeliner since middle school, and it definitely helped me see exactly where I need to place the eyeliner.
My eye shape is really round, really curved, and I just found that the material of these stencils couldn't really bend around the contours of my eye. I could see them useful as kind of like giving you the idea of a shape, but you really had to go in and clean it up yourself afterwards.